Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am showcasing you a 4-bed, 2,300 usable carpet. The location is Mahalaxmi. One of the tallest towers of Mahalaxmi. I am going to showcase you a 2,301 square feet of area. I am standing in the balcony of this apartment. We have only 4-bed residence, ultra luxurious 4-bed residence. If you are looking for a spacious 4-bed residence about 2,000 plus square feet in Mahalaxmi in South Mumbai, this project and this apartment is made for you. Okay, one by one I'm going to explain each and everything about this apartment of 4 BHK. Let me show you first the balcony. This is 100 square feet plus of balcony with a huge space. You can approximately 5 to 6 people can sit over here and have a tea, coffee or a beer at night, okay, with your friends and family. And this is the view which you are going to get for the lifetime. But this is the lower floor which I am standing at. If you go at the higher floor, you will get the whole sea view and the South Bombay view and also the sea view, also the Atal Setu bridge view. All you're going to get from the upper floors if you buy this apartment. If you come along, this is the huge living space, living area you can see. Okay, this is the 4-bed. Okay, one by one I'm going to show you everything. Look at the space over here which they are already given. This project is designed and only for elite peoples of Mumbai and South Bombay. Okay, only for elites, because this cost is elite, this space is elite, the space is luxury which you are going to get. Okay, one by one, as you see in the whole living room, this is the dining area. Have a look to the dining area. Okay, this golden plate is made for you because this project, this unit is only for golden peoples of Mumbai. Okay, this is the space which I have given for you, and this is also a TV unit you can consider. This was a bedroom, you can consider it as a bedroom, but the interior designer of this project had designed it like that they have made it like a TV unit or a study room or a area where you can have a privacy into it. Okay, you can have a privacy, you can sit over here, watch TV, okay, or enjoy with your friends, family over here in a private space. They have made it open, or else you can close it if you want one more bedroom for yourself. Okay, let me show you this is come with a extra dry and wet area. Okay, come with me over here. Let me tell you, this is over here is a kitchen, huge kitchen. Let me tell you, come with me. This is the huge kitchen. Some of the apartments of this project is coming up with the kitchen with the servant room and an extra toilet for the servant. Okay, kitchen with the servant room. You will get some of the apartments of 4 BHK with the servant room also. Okay, so let me take you for the first master bedroom. This is the closet, walk-in closet to keep your clothes, everything over here. Okay, and this is the huge bedroom, master bedroom. You can see with the attached dry area and wet area. Have a look to the dry area, wet area, and with this huge window with a great view of the Mumbai skylines. Okay, come with me over here one by one. Let me show you now our 3rd and 4th bed. Okay, the first bedroom which I have shown, that which they have designed for open space. Second bedroom which I have designed, I've shown you the master bedroom. This is the 3rd master bedroom. You can see with the great view of the Mumbai skyline with the attached dry area and wet area. And let me show you the 4th master bedroom. But before entering into master bedroom, this master bedroom which I am going to enter is for the king and queens of this 4 BHK residence. Okay, but before going to that, you will get an extra dry area and wet area. Okay, and you can come with me over here. So as you enter, you are going to get this massive luxurious bathroom, dry area, wet area for you, for the king and queens of this apartment. And over here, this is the huge master bedroom. I love this master bedroom, guys, and when you will visit this project, you are also going to love this apartment, love this project, because this project is 85% sold out. Only 15% is remaining. all are 4 BHK on higher floor. So this advantage you can take from this developer. This developer is a elite top developer of Mumbai and also of India, delivered 100 of projects all over in India and having a topmost credibility in the whole real estate market. Okay, it's come in the first or second list of best developer of India. So you can guess who is the developer. So if you are looking for a 4-bed, 5-bed, 6-bed residence in Mahalaxmi, so this project is for you, this apartment for you. You can come with me. I will be with you to see this apartment and feel how the living is going to be yours of this Mahalaxmi project. Okay, so if you are interested, you can book a private touring and I will there to help you, assist you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.